This video will show you how to share content using People+Content IP. During your meeting, you may need to share your computer screen with participants in the video conference. You can do this using your standard network connection or using Wi-Fi. Open the People+Content application installed on your PC. If you don't have this application, please contact your video operations group. Then look for the IP address of the system in front of you. The IP address generally appears on screen. Enter this IP address, and if the conference has a meeting password, you will need to enter that as well. Then, click on the Connect button. To share your computer screen, click the Play button. Your computer screen is now viewable by the participants in the conference. The People+Content IP application lets you zoom in on the document you're sharing. Click on the magnifying glass and select the area you would like to zoom. Other participants will see the parts you have selected. To stop sharing your computer screen, click the Stop icon. Enjoy your meeting.